Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic of rotational motion, that is the kinetic energy of rotation. First we discuss the kinetic energy of rotation definition. What is the definition of kinetic energy of rotation? Is the kinetic energy of an object rotating about an axis is called rotational kinetic energy. Rotational kinetic energy, that is equal to 1 by 2 I omega square. Now we write the formula of the kinetic energy rotation. Consider an object spinning about an axis with constant angular velocity omega. Every point of the body has some kinetic energy due to its circular motion. Imagine that it is composed of tiny pieces of masses m1, m2 up to so on mn from the axis of rotation r1, r2, r3 up to so on rn respectively. So we can write the total kinetic energy of a collection of particles is kinetic energy rotational is equal to summation of 1 to n particles of kinetic energy. Now we write the kinetic energy formula, that is equal to half into m of I particles yi into square. Now we know that the v is equal to product of r into angular velocity omega. So kinetic energy rotational become equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n half m I r I square or omega square. Here we can write that for rigid body, angular speed omega is same for all the particles. The equation simplifies kinetic energy rotation is equal to half summation of particle 1 to n mi ri square omega square. So here we can write I is equal to summation of particle 1 to n mi ri square. So here we can write that the sum of moment of inertia, kinetic energy rotation is equal to 1 by 2 I omega square. That is the formula of the kinetic energy rotation, that is equal to half into moment of inertia I time angular velocity omega square. Now we discuss the velocity of the disk rolled down the inclined plane. Here we take the disk that is rolled down the inclined plane. We know that the moment of inertia of the disk that is equal to half mr square. Now we know that energy conservation that is equal to total potential energy into total kinetic energy. So here we write total potential energy that is equal to, when it is rolled down, it has both energy, kinetic energy due to its translation motion and kinetic energy due to its rotational motion. So here we write kinetic energy due to translation motion plus kinetic energy due to its rotational motion. So here we write potential energy that is equal to mgh, translation kinetic energy that is half into m v square plus rotational kinetic energy that is half into I omega square. So here we write v is equal to r omega and omega is equal to v by r. So put it here, half mv square plus half I that is equal to 1 by 2 mr square omega that is equal to v by r. So it is equal to square. Here the r square and r square cancel. So here we can write mgh is equal to half into mv square plus 1 by 4 mv square. Here we take the common mv square, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 m and n cancel, v square. So here gh is equal to v square 3 by 4. So from here v square is equal to 4gh over 3. So if we take the under root on both sides, so we get 4gh over 3. This is the velocity of disk when it rolled down the inclined plane. Now we discuss the velocity of hoop when it rolled down an inclined plane. We know that the moment of inertia of the hoop, that is we discussed in last video, that is equal to m into r square. So here we write energy conservation that is equal to total potential energy is equal to total kinetic energy. Here the total potential energy that is equal to both kinetic energy that is due to rotational motion and due to translation motion. So kinetic energy is due to translation motion plus kinetic energy due to it rotational motion. Total potential energy that is equal to mgh, translation kinetic energy that is equal to half mv square plus rotational kinetic energy that is equal to half I into omega square. We know that v is equal to r omega and omega is equal to v by r. So put it here, half moment of inertia that is equal to mr square omega that is equal to v square over r square. So here we get mgh is equal to half mv square plus r square and r square is cancel, 1 by 2 mv square mv square. So here we get mgh is equal to mv square. So v square is equal to gh and v is equal to under root g h. This is the velocity of hoop when it rolled down the inclined